If you don't really get out and try to learn in person, you're going to get behind.
One of the very important things about in-person learning is the interaction you have with the attendees, but also with the speaker.
To be able to ask questions and get instant answers is very important.
That's exactly why the ADA 2026 scientific session is designed the way it is. I'm Dr. Maria Geisinger, a periodontist, professor, and researcher, and I invite you to experience the future of clinical care. Dive into continuing education grounded in the latest peer-reviewed research. This year's scientific session goes beyond presentations with hands-on workshops and expert panels across specialties, so you can apply what you're learning to clinical practice and master new techniques. Continue that learning in the exhibit hall, where you can evaluate new technologies and solutions up close and see what works for your practice. Join dentists from around the U.S. for focused, evidence-based education at the ADA 2026 scientific session, October 8th through the 10th in Indianapolis. Register today at ada.org/sci-session.